What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda B here, and I was asked to do a tutorial on how to tie waist beads. This is how I tie my waist beads. So for those who are shopping with Ronda Bdz, just make sure you pay attention to this video. So you'll grab your strand of waist beads, and I usually tie a knot at the end. I don't tie a tight knot, but I just tie a knot tight enough to secure the beads from falling off. So all you'll do is push the end of the string back through and you'll have your beads loose. So just be careful about holding that string tight in your hand so the beads don't fall if you're on the floor. Then you will wrap your waist beads around your waist, position it exactly where you want your waist beads to fall. It's okay, it may look too big, but again, this is where you start measuring your waist. So now you'll just start slowly taking beads off the string. Hold on to the end because you do not want your beads falling all over the floor. And as you can see in the video, my strand is getting closer and closer to my skin. So again, if it's too big, just subtract the beads as you go. So as of now, my strand is exactly where I want it to be. So what you will do is you will actually tie a knot. The cord is elastic cord, so it's okay for you to pull on the string when you tie a knot. Just make sure you're securing the knot. So pull as tight as you want to, but let's use common sense. Don't pull too tight and pop your strand of waist beads. But yeah, you're going to tie a knot. You're going to tie about 3-4 times to secure it. If you have I believe the glue is called E600. You can find that glue in any arts and crafts store. But again, I think it's called E600. I don't have it on me at this moment, so I can't really quote the exact name. But yeah, it's a certain glue in the arts and crafts store. So you can put a dot of that glue onto the knot to secure the knot from unraveling. But again, I just usually just tie mine about 3 or 4 times and it stays. I never have a problem with it.
Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Yeah. I need the dollars.
And your last final step, make sure you cut that excess string off. Cut it as close to the knot as possible. And there you have it. Waist beads from Ronda Bdz. And ladies, if you want to purchase some, just make sure you visit my business page at Ronda Bdz on Instagram. Otherwise than that, just don't be afraid to show those stretch marks because we all have them. Just take the baddest bitches to flaunt them. And I just want to thank you all for watching my short tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you inbox me. And again, follow my business page at Ronda Bdz. See you next time.